Awesome. Let's
So,
see.
so I went to a Roaring Twenties party not too long ago, and this was the Fascinator that I made for the Roaring Twenties party.
Love it.
So it has peacock feathers, like a broken brooch that's on here.
Mm-hmm.
And you wore it in your hair like this.
Perfect.
And I'm not a big headband person, so I always use a clip because they're more comfortable to me. And I actually wear mine to parties a lot, and I wear them all the time, and clips are way more comfortable. And the clips are also a lot more supportive and easier to wear. You don't have to wear a clip, but clips are easier. Yeah. And you can see I use stick pins to hold mine together. Like, no shame in my game. They're stick pins, belt, but this is the front. Awesome. So this is one of the ones that I made what I would wear to a parade. So this is a knit little bird. This is from the Arnie and Carlos book. So he's knitted. This is a knitting needle, a little circular that I used a binder clip underneath and hid. And then I left this off because I wanted you guys to see I have not glued them together. This is my favorite kind of clip to use. Ooh, yeah. So you can just clip it in your hair, and it's super easy to keep it held in place. This is, we don't have.
I have a lot of mine's not as big, but I have a lot of this size. I find that anything smaller than this size, it's really hard to get it to stay in your hair right. So,
yep, I just have a couple of these, but any kind of clip. And I'm going to show you how I attach it. Some of my secrets next. Okay. And this is usually what I use as my base. So this is a cheap old plate. And I fold the plate in half and use a hole puncher in the plate. So this was my cut it down to size, folded it in half, made what looks like a button. And then I use either bread ties or a zip tie. And then underneath, you'll see what happens is you get this little, if you make it like a button, your clip will go right through those little ties, and then it comes right in and out. And your Fascinator is super easy to make. So, and a headband will also slip right in through there. So just make you go into your paper plate stash, cut it down to a circle, fold the circle in half, 2 holes, and then this is your giant button. Zip ties, bread ties, headbands, whatever.
So easy. So you don't even need a glue gun.
I did. You can use a glue gun, but the problem with the glue gun is it gets real wonky.
Yeah.
It just
it doesn't last for a really long time. Like the glue oxidizes, and then it'll just get brittle and break off. So I have like 15 flowers that have broken off from my from my clips.
And I find that a successful Fascinator has a lot of movement. Yeah. So you will notice this movement in here, like I tore apart the flower. Right. And I tucked it into the pipe cleaner. This is a circular needle I hate to use. I don't know if you can see it, but I hate this circular needle. Yeah. So I just binder clipped it all together and hot glued that in there.
Love it.
And this one that I made for the party, the broken brooch, I hot glued that in there. You know, this is another piece of a broken something. It's fine to hot glue all this together. Yeah. But yeah, you just got to build it up together, but your pen and everything, build a base, glue everything to the base. So that's supported. Don't try to glue to your headband. That won't work.
Great tips.
Good.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. So 2 weeks from tonight is May 6th.
Party on.
Yeah. So, and over the next couple of little parties we have, we can chat about what we're doing and recruit other people if you want. It's not exclusive to this group.
No. And
I think